Welcome to Voxcari, your private, browser-based voice-to-text assistant for meetings, recordings, and personal notes. For now, please use Voxcari on your computer. The mobile app is still on our roadmap. Following your feedback on the first demo, we introduced several important improvements to make the tool fit your needs even better. With Voxcari, you can transcribe live online or in-person meetings with speaker recognition, upload audio and video files, dictate your own personal notes, use more than 100 languages with automatic language detection, automatically download your text as clean, ready-to-use files, or upload your session later using a JSON file, and chat with an integrated AI assistant directly inside Voxcari. Voxcari is currently available for free, so please keep in mind, when you click New Session, the transcription inside Voxcari will be cleared permanently. But don't worry, your meeting notes are always safe, because Voxcari automatically downloads a clean .txt file at the end of every session per session. Getting started. To get started, open your browser and go to voxcari.com. You'll see the main Voxcari workspace with options for live recording, file upload, and your usage dashboard. And of course, you're always welcome to share your feedback. It helps us make Voxcari even better for you. Install Voxcari as a desktop app. If you want quick access to Voxcari from your desktop, you can install it as an app. Simply click the Open in App or Install App button that appears in your Chrome or Firefox browser's address bar. Voxcari will be added to your desktop and can be pinned to your taskbar, making it much easier to open instantly whenever you need it. To transcribe a live meeting or dictate notes, click Start Recording. Your browser will ask for microphone permission. Choose Allow so Voxcari can listen and begin transcribing. As you speak, or as you play a YouTube video, Voxcari converts the audio into text. There's no need to choose a language. Voxcari uses automatic language detection and supports over 100 languages. When you're finished, click Stop and Transcribe. Please wait a few moments while your audio is processed. For example, a 15-minute meeting typically takes around 60 seconds to process. Do not leave the page during this step. Once the transcription is complete, a TXT file will download automatically. Your full transcript also remains visible on the screen so you can review it, chat with the AI, generate summaries, and download it as a JSON file if needed. Voxcari preserves speakers' recognition, grammar, and punctuation, so your notes stay clear, organized, and easy to read. Both the TXT and JSON files can be edited and used in your business workflow or uploaded to ChatGPT or any other chatbot if you want to continue chatting with your transcript. Voxcari also works seamlessly with recordings. Click Upload File and choose any audio or video file from your device. We support all common formats up to 25 megabytes. Once the transcription is complete, your text is automatically downloaded as a TXT file and is immediately available on Voxcari for chatting, summarizing, and exporting. You can also chat with your transcription directly on the Voxcari site. Using the built-in AI assistant, you can ask questions, generate summaries, or request insights in any language, regardless of the language used in the original transcription. Important reminder. Remember, while your transcription is being processed, please do not close the page. Once processing is complete, the TXT file is automatically downloaded to your computer. You can also download your notes later as plain text or JSON, depending on your needs. Privacy is at the heart of Voxcari. We don't store your audio and don't keep your transcript content on our servers. Only anonymous session metadata, like duration and usage statistics, is kept to help us maintain and improve the service. That's it. You're ready to use Voxcari for meetings, recordings, video links, and personal notes. Visit voxcari.com and try it now. If you'd like to share feedback or request new features, you can use our feedback area.